Hi friends, in this video I will show you the unboxing of TP-Link AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi router. They call it as Archer C54. It is a dual band Wi-Fi router which extends the given existing Wi-Fi range. Just unbox it. On the box you can see the logo TP-Link, and it is mentioned AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi router Archer C54, and you can see it's 67 for 5GH and 300 Mbps for 2.4 GHz, and extensive range with reinforcing. There are three options: router, access point, and range extender, multiple modes. It supports IPTV and 4K supported. On the right side you can see just Archer C54 and just the logo of that modem. Backside you can see the backside ports of that modem, which shows WAN port and LAN ports, and here it mentioned the three ports available in the router. Just open the box. See, everything is neatly packed in this cardboard. Inside this box there is nothing. You can see there is nothing in this. Here is the main router, which is covered with a black transparent cover. Yeah, here is a router's look. Side look. Here are the ports of the router. WAN port, and there are 4 LAN ports. This is reset switch. This is the power. And at the back side you can see. And here are the 4 antennas. And inside the box you can see a quick installation guide. Steps about the router. And then you can find an Ethernet cable, RJ45 cable, and then there is an adapter. This adapter's voltage is 9 volt and 0.85 amps. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.